He ends up hooking up with Brittany P in the fantasy suite.
You're a monster. Hey, let me ask you something, Dad. You think it was my fault?
Yes.
You think it was my fault the bar got busted?
Can you guess what my answer is going to be?
Yeah, but Dad, they set me up.
Rooster. Your mother ran that bar for 15 years. Never once got shut down.
That's not true. One time the bathroom flooded.
That also is your fault.
Hello?
Hey, Jim.
Sorry to interrupt. I was knocking on the front door, but nobody answered.
That's it. I'm boarding that thing up.
Hey, can I get you a drink? You want a beer or something?
I'm driving.
Oh, so like, you want a to-go cup or?
I'm fine. Thank you. I actually stopped by because I have some good news. After you told me Peterson was out, I talked to my engineers and they took satellite images of your land. First thing we noticed is that on the roof of your barn, it says F.U. Russia. After that, we found there's an old dirt road that leads to this outbuilding. Neither was on the original survey we had.
Oh yeah, that's not an outbuilding, that's the hunting cabin. That's where I live. Pretty badass. It's rustic, rugged. It's kind of like me.
Which one are you, Colt or chicken?
He's chicken. I never thought of this thing as a road. It's more like a trail.
All we need is permission to widen it a little bit so the trucks can use it.
Now Dad needs my permission, huh? Which you have.
This red line's the property line, right? This grove of trees is on my side.
Yes, so is this wonderful granite and shale deposit. You probably don't care, but that's like porn for geologists.
Son of a bitch. That grove of trees where Peterson put that deer stand. For 30 years he's been telling me I was wrong, but here it is. I was right.
Hey, who cares? We don't need Peterson anymore. We get the pipeline and the pipeline money. Which just leaves one question. Hey, Jim,